Steps to increase sales. To increase sales, you can follow these steps. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Understand your target audience. Identify your target market and gain a deep understanding of their needs, preferences, and buying behavior. This will help you tailor your sales strategies accordingly. Improve your product or service. Continuously strive to enhance your offerings based on customer feedback and market trends. Ensure that your product or service provides value and meets or exceeds customer expectations. Enhance your value proposition. Clearly communicate the unique value and benefits your product or service offers compared to competitors. Highlight what sets you apart and why customers should choose you. Develop a strong brand identity. Create a compelling brand image that resonates with your target audience. Consistently reinforce your brand identity through all customer touchpoints, including your website, packaging, advertising, and social media presence. Build relationships. Invest in building strong relationships with your existing customers. Provide excellent customer service, offer loyalty programs, and maintain regular communication to keep them engaged and satisfied. Expand your reach. Explore new markets or customer segments that align with your offerings. Expand your distribution channels, partner with complementary businesses, or consider entering new geographic regions. Invest in marketing. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy to raise awareness and generate leads. Utilize a mix of online and offline channels, such as social media, email marketing, content marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, advertising, and public relations. Sales team training. Provide ongoing training and development opportunities for your sales team. Equip them with product knowledge, effective selling techniques, negotiation skills, and customer relationship management strategies. Offer incentives and promotions. Create attractive offers, discounts, or bundled packages to incentivize customers to make a purchase. Limited time promotions, referral programs, and customer loyalty rewards can also encourage repeat business. Leverage technology. Utilize technology tools to streamline your sales process, improve efficiency, and gather data-driven insights. Implement a customer relationship management (CRM) system to manage leads, track customer interactions, and analyze sales performance. Gather and act on customer feedback. Regularly collect feedback from your customers to understand their satisfaction levels, identify areas for improvement, and address any concerns promptly. Use this feedback to refine your offerings and enhance the customer experience. Monitor and analyze sales metrics. Track and analyze key sales metrics, such as conversion rates, average order value, customer acquisition cost, and customer lifetime value. This data will help you identify trends, measure the effectiveness of your sales strategies, and make data-driven decisions. Remember, increasing sales is an ongoing process that requires continuous effort, adaptation, and innovation. Stay proactive, monitor market trends, and adjust your strategies accordingly to stay ahead of the competition and meet your sales goals. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.